Okay, still learning about beginning song with Miss Fanny, and today we gonna this example. So to complete your understanding of the picture and sounds of alphabet, let's go. A is for N. A. So you're gonna circle A is for N. So we're gonna see the second one. B is for B. So circle B in here. Or you can write it down A and this one B. How about the third one? C is for crab. C, circle C, or you can write it down. C is for crab. Alpaca. A. So we're gonna write it down A. Next, bear. Bear. B is for bear. So you don't need to worry. Bear. Learning and practice make perfect. No matter the first one you got maybe just 50 and trial again. And the last one, moo. C is for cow. C. Select C and write it down C. That's how you learn alphabet in English.